Hi, I'm Tanya Janka, and I get asked quite a lot, what is AppSec? What is application security? What do you do all day? So application security is a subfield of computer science. So computer science is at the top, and then underneath that, there's information security. We call it InfoSec, some people call it cybersecurity, and underneath that there's an umbrella of all sorts of things, and one of them is the security of software. And by software I mean as opposed to hardware, as opposed to satellites, as opposed to every other thing that you might want to secure. How do you secure software and applications and APIs and serverless and all those things that are, you can't really touch them because it's software, but it makes the world go round. And so application security is the work that someone does in the field within computer science to make sure that software is secure. So if you are a software developer and you write code all day and your code happens to be secure, you're just an awesome dev. You're not actually doing application security. You're still rocking, just to be clear. A+, keep doing that, please. But let's say you're a software developer and you think, you know what, I should probably scan my software. So I pushed it to my dev server. I've played with it. It looks pretty good. But you know what? I think I should point a security tool at it and scan it. A dynamic application security testing tool, a DAST. So I'm going to point it at it, be like, pew, 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 see if there's stuff wrong with it, if it can find something, and then I'm going to fix those things. Now that's you taking an extra additional step, and that's you performing the work of AppSec. Any work that you do to ensure the software is secure, and that can mean fixing the bugs. That's really important. That's very important. Please do not underestimate how important that part is. Finding bugs, threat modeling, there's this huge list of different activities you can do to try to make sure the software is secure, to find problems, to fix problems, etc. Prevent them from happening in the first place. I really like that. But all of that is AppSec, and it is a full-time job. You can have a full-time job doing that. I used to do that before I moved into developer relations because it turns out I love AppSec and I love public speaking and I love writing. And together, that means I make a pretty good teacher and developer advocate, DevRel, also known as developer avocado. But anyway, I digress. I think AppSec is kind of the coolest job ever. I really like the idea of getting to hang out with software developers all the time, but do security stuff, which was new and interesting after being a dev for so long. So I hope this helps, and I hope you understand a little bit more. I'm Tanya Janka. I'm also known as SheHacksPurple, and I'm a nerd on the internet.